That white layer on your tongue, it is not just morning mouth. It can be a buildup zone. Your tongue is not smooth. It is covered in tiny bumps called papillae. Think of them like a thick carpet. And that carpet traps things. Dead cells, food debris, bacteria, yeast, dryness. When all of that builds up, your tongue can turn white. That is why a white tongue often shows up when your mouth is dry, your oral hygiene slips, or you are sick. And here's the part people miss. The white color is usually not the problem itself. It is the sign that stuff is sitting there too long. If your mouth gets dry, saliva drops. And saliva matters because it helps wash away debris and slow down buildup. Less saliva means more time for that layer to thicken. That is why white tongue often gets worse. When you wake up, when you are dehydrated, when you breathe through your mouth, or when you are smoking. And yes, bacteria love this. They feed on trapped material and release odor compounds. So a white tongue and bad breath often show up together. Now sometimes the white coating is soft and wipes away. That is usually buildup. But if it looks thick, patchy, painful, or does not improve, that can point to something else. One possibility is oral thrush. That is a yeast overgrowth. It can look creamy white and may leave red, sore areas underneath when wiped. Another possibility is leukoplakia. That is a white patch that does not scrape off easily. It needs medical or dental attention because it can be linked to irritation and in some cases, more serious changes. So here is the fast rule. If the white layer is mild and you also have dry mouth, bad breath, or skipped tongue cleaning, start there first. Brush your teeth, clean your tongue, drink water, fix mouth dryness if you can. A tongue scraper can help because it physically lifts that layer off the surface. But if it hurts, bleeds, keeps coming back, or does not improve, get it checked. Because sometimes a white tongue is just buildup, and sometimes it is your mouth warning you that something else is going on. If you want more fast science that helps you catch problems early, hit subscribe so you do not miss the next one. And comment, tongue, if you have ever looked in the mirror and thought, why is that white?